Hey guys, it's Kel, and welcome back to my channel. I'm sorry I haven't filmed in a little while. I've been just dealing with some stuff and have some changes going on, and I just really haven't had the time to film. But today's actually a pretty exciting video. I don't know how much of it I'm going to be able to vlog. I mean, I'll try, but I don't know how much I'm actually going to be able to vlog. But today, I am going to be registering to be a volunteer with a local-ish, kind of local-ish, bird rescue called Parrot Hope Rescue. I think I've spoken about them before in another video, and I am just so excited that I get to be part of this group. Hopefully, get to be part of this group. I'm just so excited to hopefully get to be part of this group, and I'm gonna try to take the camera along, film what I can, and yeah, I don't really know what I'm gonna be able to film, but I'm going to a meeting, and it's like a mandatory volunteers meeting with my awesome friend Tracy, which shout out to her. Thank you so much for helping me out with all this. I truly appreciate it. And I'm gonna go see what the meeting's all about and register, and yeah, I'll come back on here when I get home and let everybody know, you know, what happened, what went down, how it all is going, what I'm gonna be doing with the rescue, and yeah, I'll try to film what I can, but I'll see you guys later. Also, anybody that knows me knows that I am a total night owl, and I am basically on a second shift where I usually am not even up till noon, but it's just noon now, and I've been up since 10 a.m. for this, so obviously I'm really excited. So yeah, I just wanted to mention that because like anybody that knows me in person and like knows me in real life knows that it's like 10 a.m. is a huge nope for me, but I'm excited and I can't wait to see what this whole meeting's about, and hopefully your girl is going to be a official volunteer with a parrot rescue by the end of the day. So let's do it. Look at Fiji. You look at the camera. It's so good to see you, pretty girl. It is. Yeah. Look at you. And look at Fiji. Look at the good girl. Look at Fiji girl. Yeah. Chicken, you're a bald chicken, you're cute. Happy bird, say hello. Yeah, hello. Oh, pretty. What are you doing? What are you doing? What are you doing? Fiji gets to meet her new hubby. Lollipop. handsome boy. You're a handsome bird. What are you up to? Are you in a cone? Are you a cone head? Do you have a problem? What is your problem? You're a beautiful bird.
I'm trying to get you fixed up. What's your name?
Hi. Hi, Jojo. Hey, Jojo. Alright guys, so I'm back and your girl is an official volunteer with Parrot Hope Rescue. I'm so excited. I'm so excited for, what are you doing? For events and to be a part of this wonderful, awesome nonprofit organization to help locate forever homes for parrots and to help take care of them. And I am so excited. I had so much fun and it's just really, really cool. I'm really excited because if anyone knows this, I'm pretty sure everybody does know this because I talk about it all the time on there. One of my absolute favorite events of the year is the OHPA Bird Fair at the fairgrounds, and I adore going to it. I adore visiting it, and I am over the moon excited to be able to actually be a part of it this year. Like, I'm going to be a part of the setting up. I'm going to be a part of this fair that I love so much, and I'm just so excited, and this is just so amazing. I also am going to be making another video regarding, as you've seen, my friend Tracy was introducing Fiji, not my Bourke Fiji, but Fiji, my Cockatiel I made a video on, the one that I had hand-fed and everything, which, if you didn't watch her whole story, I will link it down below, to Vegas. No, I do not have Fiji back, but I am going to make a video explaining how those two ended up together, which it's really great because both my friends and I believe that it's fate that those two were supposed to be together, and now they're together, and it's really, really, really great. What else? Oops, sorry. My tripod's being weird, so it's like, see if I let it go, it falls. So I kind of am holding it until I can figure out what the heck the tripod's doing and why it's doing this. Look at these little cuties. Look at the little cuties. Look at them. Alright, I'm rambling. It's been a really long, fun day, and I am so excited to be a member of Parrot Hope Rescue. Bye, Ocean. I guess you're not. Alright, that's it for me today, guys. Thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And until next time, bye.